Students, welcome to Elga 16 revision classes of Unit 1 at Sri Vidyaniketan Public School, Sri Ramnagar. Myself, Suhasini. Children, let's start the class. Before that, you ensure your student reader, workbook and also a notebook all time while you are attending your online classes. Let's begin our revision class. Children, already you know the name of the unit is Introduction to Poetry. Basically, we have five components in ELCA levels. Those are phonics, all words, reading and listening comprehension, grammar, and also writing and speaking expressions. Children, you ended with your M2 level phonic session. Now moving towards the concepts, that is whole word session. In the whole word session today we are discussing about LUPRC strategy and making rhyming words. What is LUPRC strategy? Infer and predict the meaning of new words by using clues from the text. LUPRC strategy. What is LUPRC strategy stands for? Look for clues. In the clues we have five types of clues. Those are, first one is definitions, second one is synonyms, third one is antonyms, and fourth one is examples. At last, inference. U stands for understand the word. P stands for the predict the meaning. R stands for read the sentence. At last, C stands for check the meaning. Now, we are looking into the clues. Before going to the clues, I want to say you, clues are nothing but to find a word in a new meaning, to understand the new meaning of the word. Clue number one, definition. Definition is nothing but explanation. The word is defined or explained in the text or sentence. For example, the hospitals sterilize and completely clean the bed sheets they use. Moving towards the clue number 2, that is synonyms. Synonyms are nothing but the same meaning. The words which similar meaning is used in text is nothing but in a sentence they are used in a similar meaning also to find a word. Example, the pudgy bear looked round and fat. The pudgy bear looked round and fat. Moving towards the clue number 3, antonyms. Antonyms are opposites. A word with an opposite meaning in the sentence. For example, my sister loves cricket but I detest it. Antonyms are opposite words. Loves means detest. Detest is nothing but hate. Moving towards the clue number 4, that is example. An example of the word is used to suggest its meaning. For example, my friend is a cynic. Yesterday, she thought that team would not win the game. Cynic is nothing but negativity. She is thinking the game they won't win. Moving towards the clue number 5, inference. What I already know and what the clues from the text we will get to know. Fine. What is inference? We use clues from the story or passage to guess the meaning of the word. For example, he was worried he would be given severe punishment as he did not do his homework. What he had given? Severe punishment. Why? Because he did not do his homework. These are the examples to find the meaning of new words. Moving towards the poetry. Poetry is nothing but what? We are going to learn what is poetry. Poetry is a type of writing which uses less words to describe ideas, shows or expresses strong feelings, uses musical quality of words. It can be sung, uses words to create pictures in the minds of the reader. This is about the poetry. Now, what is in the poetry? We are going to learn about rhyming words. Rhyming words are those words which have the same ending sound. Rhyming words is nothing but the words which have the same ending sound. For example, car, star. Here R sound, AR and CR and STAR words are ends with R sound. These two words have the same ending sound, that is R. This means that both the words car and star are rhyming words. They rhyme each other. Moving towards the rhyming words. Which are the rhyming words in these lines? I had given a small paragraph, a poem, that is, Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. This is a small poem to get to know the rhyming words. What is the rhyming scheme of this stanza? This is an example of the rhyming words. This is an example of the rhyming words. Look into here. Here, star and are rhyming words. One pair of rhyming words. High and sky are one more pair of rhyming words. Where the words are ends with the pair sentence words, here the rhyming scheme we will call. We will call as a rhyming scheme. What is the rhyming scheme of this stanza? This is an example of the rhyming scheme of the stanza. If each stanza of the poem has a different rhyming scheme, then the poem has an irregular rhyming scheme. So, where the poem has an irregular rhyming scheme, that is not a stanza to reflect the rhyme scheme. We will not write the rhyming scheme of the poem. We will write the rhyme scheme of each stanza. This is an example of rhyme scheme of the poem. Now, please utilize the leftover time to complete the worksheet. Thank you, my dear children.